Hello guys. Welcome to your midday 10-minute movement. This is Coach Ellie. Happy Wednesday. So without further ado, welcome. This is all body weight, 10 minutes for your daily movement. Everything will be saved on my IGTV live. So if you have any friends you want to tag under this IGTV after this 10-minute circuit, feel free to do so. And otherwise, let's get to it, shall we? So let's warm up with 20 knee hugs, and then we're going to do some full body abs today. Whew. Happy Wednesday, getting over that hump. Who's happy that it's Wednesday and it's sunny out? Me. So we're loosening up those hip flexors, that core, because anything on one leg, using one leg stimulates that core, which basically transfers energy from our upper to lower body and vice versa. So welcome guys. So we're gonna do, I'm really big into circuits, always, not just these days, always. Great cross training for runners, great for those of you who are just here for functional fitness and for your midday movement, not to get too sweaty. I know those of you that are working, not in your 9-to-5 office jobs, you could always take a quick 5-minute shower and just throw on a nice top and some sweatpants. Make do. So let's do 4 more of these, and we're going to dive into 3 exercises, a minute for each exercise. And we're going to do that 3 times. So it's 10 minutes total with the rest breaks, which is like 10 seconds between each one. Okay, so first exercise we're going to do is we're taking both hands, interlacing our fingers behind our head. Our upper body is relaxed on the ground. Our right foot is on top. Both legs are extended. You're keeping that gap between both legs, right? Okay, your neck's in line with your spine to facilitate good posture, and this is good form. We're not going to have any issues anywhere, no injuries. So we're going to crunch our knees in towards our face and out for a minute. Switch that top leg. Same thing for a minute. And then we're going to hit those low abs. Those palms are facing the ceiling on the ground. Feet are flexed. No dancer feet. No. This, yes. Okay, dropping our legs up and down, to the right, to the left, keeping that lower back on the ground at all times so we don't run into any lower back issues, excuse me. So let's do that, 3 minutes total, a minute for each of those exercises, and then we're repeating that whole 3-minute circuit 2 more times. 3, 2, and 1. So interlace those fingers behind your head. Our right foot is on top. You're crunching those knees in towards your face and out. Now feel free to relax that upper body on the ground at all times. For those of you who are advanced here, you could bring that upper body or those shoulder blades off the ground while you bring those knees towards your face, as shown right here. Exhaling from your diaphragm every time you lift that upper body or bring those knees towards that face. We got 30 seconds before we flip that top leg. Make sure to keep that gap. Yes, you will feel your quads. You will feel your abs, obliques, hip flexors, TFL, that entire front part of that bod. Maybe even those back muscles. When you lift up those shoulder blades off the ground, keep them high-fiving. Yes, even when you're lying down. Form is everything. Quality over quantity. 3, 2, 1. Flip that top leg. Let's go. 1 minute right here. So you could always switch it up to keep it dynamic. This move is inspired by Kira Stokes. She is my fitness guru inspiration outside of running. Everyone has one. Let's go. Keep it up. Whew, obliques today. Oh baby, abs Wednesday. I got a request to include more ab workouts, so there will be one of these every single midday workout, Monday through Wednesday, or Monday through Friday, excuse me, at least once a week. So feel free to join, and also tune into the IGTV and tag your friends. The more the merrier, all levels are welcome. We got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and beautiful job. Those palms are facing the ground. You're extending those feet. Legs are flexed. Raising your feet up and down, to the right, to the left. Go at your own pace. The slower you go, the more your muscles are going to contract, okay? If you want to make it more cardio-centric, for those of you that want to get your heart rate a little up, you could go and perform the movements a little faster. Just remember, quality over quantity, form is everything. All right, stick with me. 3, 0 seconds. So we're down, up, to the right, and to the left. That lower back is not leaving the ground at all times. This is injury prevention cross training for everybody. Whew. Exhale, bringing those legs up to the other side and then back up. Inhaling through your nose, bringing them back down. 4, 3, 2, get that water break. We got 10 seconds for 2 rounds. We good? Golden. You guys are crushing it. We are going in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Interlace those fingers behind your head. Bring that right leg up. Bring those knees in towards your face or towards your chest and out. Do the best you can to keep a slight gap between those knees when you crunch them in, as shown. What I mean is none of this. Just bend those knees and extend. Inhale, exhale. Keeping that neck aligned with that spine. You're gazing up at the sky or your office ceiling or your ceiling, wherever you are. Choose wisely. Keep it up. We got 15 seconds together right here before we flip that top leg for the second time. Whew. Post-birthday. Burn. Talk about burning off black and white cookies. This will do it. 3, 2, flip that top leg. Let's go. Inhale, exhale. Keeping those feet nice and flexed. And smile. It's not that serious. Have fun with it. Beautiful job, guys. And thank you for joining my midday 10-minute movement. All requests are always welcome. Just direct message me or email me. My link is in my Instagram bio. Keep it up. Way to go. 30 seconds before we move on to that third exercise. Second to last time. 10 minutes flies when you're having fun, right? I know. 20 seconds. Stay with me. Inhale. Exhale. There we go. Nice job. There we go, Matt. Nice job, Shelby. Nice, Jen. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Bring those legs up and down, over to the right. Keeping that lower back on the ground. Yeah, this is working a little bit of everything. You should feel it right here and in those lower abs, baby. All right, stay with me. Beautiful job. Breathe. Remember, if you want to speed it up, make it more cardio-centric, you could go at this pace or just switch it up for the benefits of both movements. Going slower and then faster. Whew. Lower abs are burning. Let's see what we got here. That's what I'm talking about. I could feel the energy through the camera. Keep it up, guys. You have 20 seconds to go. Second to last time. 10 minutes of your daily movement. Monday through Friday. Good job, good job. Welcome for those of you joining. Just jump on in. You can also find this IGTV live or do it on your time and dime after this is done. We got 3, 2, 1. Grab that water, that coffee. You got 10 seconds for the final 3 minutes today. Let's go, let's go. Coffee for me. 3, 2, and 1. Bring that right leg on top one last time. In and out. Who doesn't want 10 minutes of abs a day? I mean, come on. You could do this 2 to 3 times a week to complement whatever training routine you're on. No one could ever get enough core work. Just don't overtrain and exhaust yourself. Make sure you replenish. Grab a 1 bar after this, or even better, an R-Bar energy bar. They're delicious. Check it out. I'll be sharing the link in this IGTV story after we're done. We got to work our way towards the end to earn it. Let's go. 30 seconds. Whew. Final time. Yes. Almost there. In out. Whew, we got 15. Yes, this is good for runners or your 9-to-5er. Whoever you are, this can't hurt a thing. 3, 2, flip that top leg over. Yes, final 2 minutes today. Stick with me for your cool down after this if you can, otherwise foam roll it out. Cool down, walk around. Don't just sit back down. You're gonna tighten up your muscles and not let them repair properly. Along with that R bar, of course. Whew. Getting that blood pumping, getting that heart flowing. That heart pumping that blood that's flowing, of course. Whew, I need that energy bar. Let's work for it. Let's go, guys. Almost there. 10 minutes. That's it. Out of your life. 25 to go before we got our final minute of our 10-minute circuit today. Whew, feel the burn. Yes. Stay with me. We got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Drive those palms into the ground. You're up, down, to the right, circling it back around to the left, keeping those feet flexed, that lower back on the ground at all times. Let's go. Final 60 seconds of your day. As a modality or modification, you could always hold a V up, roll your shoulders down and back, squeeze those abs, tuck that tailbone under. You can either keep your heels in the ground, lower your upper body towards the ground, keeping your neck aligned with your spine to facilitate good posture, good daily movements, because we don't want to hunchback or Notre Dame all day, right? 25 seconds, let's go. Pick your poison. I'm picking mine. Let's go, let's go. Sculpt and cardiocentric. If you want, speed it up with me. Final 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Drop those legs down. Way to go, guys. Virtual high five. Thank you so much for joining again. Tag your friends under my IGTV, under any of these midday, Monday through Friday movements. Let's kneel up on those knees. Interlace your fingers. Reach up high towards the ceiling. Lean over to your right hand side for that nice side stretch. If you have to go, I understand. Walk around, move. Get that R bar on the IGTV after this is done. Come back to center with me. Shake those hands out. Let's take one big inhale through our nose. Bring our hands all the way up towards the ceiling or sky. And exhale all that are out from your belly through your mouth. Bring your hands down to center. Amazing job, guys. Virtual high five again. Thank you so much for joining my post-birthday midday 10-minute workout. This is Coach Allie. Check my IGTV channel, and I will see you at the same time, same place tomorrow at 1:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Happy Wednesday. Bye, guys.